Welcome to Max. Good morning, friends. Welcome to Max class. So now we are taking vectors. Exercise number 6.2. The problem number 3. Problem number 3. The volume of the parallelepiped whose coterminous edges are 7i plus lambda j minus 3k, I plus 2j minus k, and minus 3i plus 7j plus 5k is 90 cubic units. Find the value of lambda. That is, volume is given. You know that volume of the parallelepiped with coterminous edges ABC is nothing but box product ABC. So from this you can find the value of lambda. You see the solution here. Now what is given here? A vector equal to 7i plus lambda j minus 3k, B vector equal to I plus 2j minus k, C vector equal to minus 3i plus 7j plus 5k. So given that volume equal to 90, that is box product ABC equal to 90. So this is nothing but 7 lambda minus 3, 1 2 minus 1 minus 3 7 5 equal to 7 into, that is 5. First one was 10 plus 7 minus lambda into 5 minus 3 minus 3 into 7 plus 6 equal to 0, that is 7 into 17 minus lambda into 2, 3 into 13 equal to 90. So this is 119 minus 2 lambda minus 39 minus 90 equal to 0. So this is 119. This, if you add this, you will get 129 equal to 2 lambda. So 2 lambda equal to 119 minus 129 is minus 10. So you are getting lambda equal to minus 5. This is nothing but finding the value of x. When determinant value is given as 90, what is the value of lambda? There is a application of determinants here. Then fifth problem, find the altitude of the parallelogram. Find the altitude of the parallelepiped determined by the vectors கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. The base is taken as parallelogram determined by B and C. அதாவது என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா altitude கேட்டிருக்காங்க, 3 edges கொடுத்தா வால்யூம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். You know that volume equal to what? Base area into height. ஹைட்னால ஒன்று தான், altitudeனால ஒன்று தான், அதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So what is given here is A is equal to minus 2i plus 5j plus 3k, B vector equal to I plus 3j minus 2k, C vector equal to minus 3i plus j plus 4k. So box product ABC equal to what? Minus 2, 5, 3, 1, 3 minus 2, minus 3, 1, 4. This is equal to minus 2 into 12 plus 2 minus 5 into 4 minus 6. Then this one is what? 1 plus 9. So minus 2 into 14 minus 5 into minus 2, 3 into 10, that is minus 28 plus 10 plus 30. So we are getting volume is what? 12 cubic units. Now you know that area of the parallelogram formed by B and C is nothing but what? Modulus of B cross C. Modulus of B cross C. So what is B cross C? What is B cross C? Ijk 1 3 minus 2 minus 3 1 4. So I vector into 12 plus 2 minus j into 4 minus 6 k into 1 plus 9. So that is 14i plus 2j plus 10k. So what is modulus of B cross C? Square root of 14 square plus 2 square plus 10 square. That is 196 400. That is root 300. That is nothing but 100 into 3. That is 10 root 3. Therefore I want altitude. Altitude of the parallelepiped equal to volume by area. Volume by base area. So this is 12 by 10 root 3. So if I want to rationalize this, I can multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So this is 12 root 3 by 10 into 3, 30. Therefore our altitude equal to 12 root 3 by 30 or 2 root 3 by 5 if you simplify. This is the altitude. These and all 3 more questions. 3 more questions and 2 more questions only. Now 7th one, you see, let A vector equal to I plus j plus k, B vector equal to I, C vector equal to C, C1 I, C2 j, C3 k. If C1 equal to 1 and C2 equal to 1, find C such that ABC or what? Coplanar. So what is given is ABC are coplanar. That means box plot ABC equal to 0. Here one unknown constant is given here. That you have to find out. So seventh one, A vector equal to I plus j plus k, B vector equal to I vector, C vector equal to C1 I plus C2 j plus C3 k, C1 equal to 1, C2 equal to 2. So box plot ABC equal to what? 0. So you are getting 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 2 C3 equal to 0. That is 1 into first one is 0 minus 2 into 0 minus we are expanding along the third row, so we are getting 1 into what? 0. Then we take minus 2 here, minus 2 into 0 minus 1, then C3 into what? 0 minus 1. So we are expanding along a third row. So this is 0 plus 2 minus C3 equal to 0. So C3 equal to what? 2. So the value of unknown constant C3 equal to what? 2. Now it is the 8th problem. A vector equal to I minus k, B vector equal to xi plus j plus 1 minus x into k vector, C vector equal to yi plus xj plus 1 plus x minus y into k. Show that box product ABC depends on neither x nor y. அதாவது x டிபெண்ட் பண்ணுறதில்ல y டிபெண்ட் பண்ணுறதில்ல அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். பாருங்க, A vector equal to I minus k, B vector equal to xi plus j plus 1 minus x into k vector, C vector equal to yi plus xj plus 1 plus x minus y into k vector. What is box product ABC? 1 0 minus 1, x 1 1 minus x, y x 1 plus x minus y. When you expand this 1 into, you are getting 1 plus x minus y minus of x into 1 minus x. The next one is 0. Then last one is minus 1 into, you are getting x square minus y. So if you remove the bracket, what you are getting? 1 plus x minus y minus x plus x square. This is what? Minus x square plus y. So here x and minus x cancels, minus y and plus y cancels, and x square and minus x square cancels. So what remains is only 1 here. So you are getting only the constant. Here it contains no x term and y term. That means what? Box plot ABC is what? Independent of x and y. That's what asked here. It depends neither x nor y means what? It is independent of x and y. That's what you have proved here. So here the 9th question. If the vectors ai plus aj plus ek, I plus k, ci plus cj plus bk are coplanar, prove that C is the geometric mean of A and B. C is the geometric mean of A and B. So A vector is equal to ai plus aj plus ek, B vector equal to I plus k, C vector equal to ci plus cj plus bk. So given that coplanar, box plot ABC equal to 0. So you are getting AA. This is A here. So AAC 101. This is CCB equal to 0. So A into this is what? 0 minus C. Here minus A into B minus 0. C into C equal to 0. So what you are getting is A into 0 minus C, minus A into B minus C, plus C into C minus 0 equal to 0. That is A into minus C minus AC minus AB plus AC, C into C square equal to 0. Here minus AC and plus AC get cancels. So you are getting C square equal to AB. So that implies C is the geometric mean of AB. So what is mean geometric mean? Suppose you take that is ABC are in the GP. ABC and what? GP. That's the meaning of that. So AB set GP means, for example, you take 2, 4, 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. So this is a GP. Now you take the middle term, 4 square. 4 square equal to what? Product of the first and last, 2 into 8. So 16 equal to 16. So if they are in GP, then B is nothing but the geometric mean of A and C. That is, the middle term is nothing but what? Geometric mean of what? 2 and 8. 2 and 8. That's meaning of here. C square equal to AB, or I can write C is equal to what? Root of AB. C equal to root of AB. That is, middle term 4 is equal to root of 2 into 8. 16. Correct? Therefore, that's meaning of geometric mean. So the last problem, let ABC be the three non-zero vectors such that C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. If the angle between A bar and B bar is pi by 6, show that box plot ABC equal to 1 by 4 into modulus of A vector square into modulus of B vector square. That's what you have to prove. So once again I will read the problem. ABC are three non-zero vectors. C is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. If angle between A and B is what? Pi by 6. Show that this result. So the proof for this, since C vector is a unit vector perpendicular to both A vector and B vector, that means C is parallel to A cross B, because if A bar and B bar are two vectors, C bar is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. So C bar is parallel to A cross B, because if A bar and B bar are two vectors, A cross B is what? A perpendicular vector. It is perpendicular to both A bar and B bar. But here what is given is C bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Therefore C bar is automatically what? Parallel to A cross B. Parallel to A cross B, because they are perpendicular. So this is what? Parallel. So box plot ABC equal to what? A cross B into C. A cross B dot C. What is A cross B? Modulus of A cross B, modulus of C. So this is what? Parallel is given. Parallel means what? Parallel means either theta equal to 0, theta equal to 0, or sometimes it may be collinear. It may be collinear. So in that case the angle is what? So collinear means what? 180. Therefore theta equal to pi or 0. Therefore this is what is cos pi. Cos pi is what? Minus 1. What is cos 0? Equal to 1. So it is what? Plus or minus 1. If it is pi, minus 1. If it is 0, 1. Therefore plus or minus. This is what? What is the modulus of A cross B? Modulus of A, modulus of B, sin theta. What's the angle between these two? It's given as what? Pi by 6. So I can write it as sin pi by 6 into what? This C bar. Correct? Therefore plus or minus. What is sin pi by 6? Sin of pi by 6. 180 by 6. Sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. So plus or minus 1 by 2 into modulus of A vector into B vector. So squaring both sides. So we will get what? 1 by 4. Modulus of A vector square into modulus of B vector square. So proved this. Hence the proof. So we have completed all the problems. The exercise number 6.2. I do other problems in the examples. And this week I am giving one test here. Prove that cos alpha plus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Second one, sin alpha plus beta equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then third one is cos alpha minus beta equal to cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha, sin beta. So these three questions, 3 into 5 equal to 15 marks only. So this you things write this, study this and write the test. Thank you, students.